Here we are in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. I have a beautiful Dreamsicle Cottage just for you. Let's go check it out. Come on in, it's perfect for gathering. Welcome to this beautiful Dreamsicle. It's as serene on the outside as it is on the inside. You've got beautiful beams and fixtures, and I love this flooring to pull it all together. A beautiful living room focal point. The beautiful quartz top off this open kitchen. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Now let's check out the den. This area can be your private guest quarters. And I love it. You're almost home. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on beautiful deals like this.